Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing credentials and choosing a request library. Set your API key and process. Env or a secrets manager, do not commit it. Next, create a minimal fetch call, define URL, method, headers including authorization, and JSON body. Once done, test with a simple get to confirm connectivity, look for a 200 OK. If you get 401, recheck the key scope. This starts the flow, so you can iterate on data and response handling immediately. You now focus on robust execution. Inspect response. OK and parse JSON within a try/catch. This prevents crashes on invalid payloads. Once parsed, validate keys and types against a schema or lightweight check so you avoid runtime errors. For network instability, add retries with exponential backoff. Do a few attempts, increasing delay, then fail gracefully. Also, centralize error logging and map server errors to user-friendly messages. This reduces debugging time and keeps your app resilient under varying API behavior. You complete the integration by optimizing performance and security. Cache predictable responses, honor cache control, and clear caches after updates. Rotate keys regularly and prefer short-lived tokens. Implement rate limits to protect both client and API. Deploy monitoring for latency and error rate so you catch regressions. If something fails, reproduce with the same headers and body, then inspect logs, mask secrets before sharing. One tip: when requests fail, compare status codes, server error messages, and timestamps to pinpoint miscommunication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.